Hi friends, we'll see today how to fill the IDV app, how to fill the form documents via IDV. Here you can log in by user ID and password and log in. Here you can upload the photos, documents, or take the photos. If you don't have a document, then you can just go and take the photos of your document. And here you click on the continue, and once you log in to the app, it will allow you to take your photos document. And if you have applied for a family, and then it will give all the applicants in the if you have applied for individually, then only one applicant name will be there. And if you want to manage your uploaded folder, go to menu and then manage attachment. Now we'll see how to upload the photos. Mandatory, there are two sections: mandatory documents and optional documents. Select your applicant name and then click on the documents, and then click on add document, and it gives you option of choosing take photos or upload from anywhere, or the cloud, all those options. Then you can select any one, and it'll upload the document. If you can take photos, then you can crop the picture as you want, which will be more visible. Once you add the photo, once you take the photo, save it, and you can change the photo file name also if you want, or else there will be some random numbers that will be given. Here you can upload the photos from your photo gallery as well. You see how you can upload the document saved somewhere else, like your cloud or anywhere. So you have to do a ID verification check. So you go to this, and you have to do your identification verification, where you need to take your photos, and you need to do a live check. Okay, where you need to, in this case you need to take the photos, and if you feel that any point in time your photo is not good, then you can just retake the photo. Once you are happy with the photo, you can submit the photo. And once you do that, once you have done the upload photo, once you finish the upload photo, then you have to upload a travel document as well for the photo verification. I can upload your passport there, and you can take your photos. Again, you can upload it from anywhere, and you can resize the photo. And once you are happy with the photo, you can upload the photo. And once you're done with this completes your almost all process, and it will allow the applicant to the submit button will be activated once you upload all the documents. If you don't upload, if the upload is not if you are not uploaded mandatory documents, then the submit button will not be activated. Don't worry on that, but be careful before you apply submit. You re-verify all your documents are correct. All the best. If you need any help, please feel free to comment things.